Hi, this is Ed from Mr. C's Auto Mart with a new arrival, our black 2017 Mazda 3 Touring Sedan. It's black. This is a 2-liter engine. Very good on gas, about 38 miles on the highway. Skyactiv technology, which is Mazda's fuel efficiency technology package. The car is fully serviced. We ordered the center caps. Mazda logo tomorrow. The tires are about 30% front and 70% rear. It's got supplemental exterior mirror turn signals under window chrome trim. The tread on the rear tires is very good. The front's about 30%. Which is still acceptable. We have graphite lower bumpers panning around the car here. It's got body colored door handles and mirrors. And it's got a compact spare and a spacious trunk. We'll get to that in a second. Very fuel efficient car. It's got 89,000 miles. There's your compact spare. Paint's in pretty good condition. It's a black car, so you see there's maybe a little paint blemishes, but not much. And the car's book value is about $14,800. We have it for $12,900. It's got a power driver's seat, manual passenger seat. Got a rear bench. The leather is real nice. Power windows, doors, locks. Steering wheel mounted controls for Bluetooth cruise. And trip computer. There's your mileage. It's got the digital radio and a rear backup camera. And automatic climate control. There's your media ports. It's got the dial for radio controls up here, as you can see. You can go back and forth. And it's got a sports suspension, so we'd invite you to come by and take a look. Visit the website, MrC'sAutomart.com, or call me directly, 708-473-2014. Has heated seats too, 3 settings. Thanks, guys.